know.
Selen, give me a number between 1 and 10.
10. No,
It's a long sound. It's a long sound effect, so I have it on like the hold the button down.
I only have one sound effect. Here it is. You want to hear it?
Play it. Play it.
What is that?
That sounds like she's smashing a frog. Selen, give me a number between 1 and 9.
9. It's the koala. Oh. It's the koala crying. You know the video of the koala getting kicked out of the tree and he starts crying?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. People say
I remember
like
that. I remember that because the context is that he was trying to have sex with a female koala and she said no and kicked him out of the tree.
Wait, was that the context?
Yeah, he was trying to have sex with a female koala and she booted him out of the tree and he was like. No, he did, yeah, he wanted a treat, all right.
Oh my god, why did you have to ruin my favorite sound?